Bourdeaud'hui. I am the owner and CEO of the company. We are specialized in large and complex wood solutions, and we start where most companies stop. It all started in 1865 with one product, the wooden wheel. All the 5 generations have constantly grown our family business in 3 factors: bigger projects, more projects, and our focus of today, the large and complex projects, which lead us to 5 million annual turnover. We achieve that with smart technology and skilled workforce, and this is why I select Biesse for their service, for their technology, and for their training. Our first Biesse machine we bought in 2005, and several machines followed after that. So we have the Selco, we have the Rover, and we have the Acron. So our last investment, our machine, is the Windline, where we can make the standard windows. So the windows for the renovation market, and in the renovation market we also need the arch part of the window. So this is a machine which is very good for it. The benefit of the machine is actually the end-to-end agility, and this is for us, for our customers, gives it the most satisfaction. So this is for us what is most important. In the process of making the decision for the Windline, they invited me to the Biesse campus in Pesaro, and this was like, wow. The people who are working there, the technology, the workforce also, and this is like the same what I want to, what we installate in our company. You see that the same things are living over there. So for me that was also very important part for the decision.